if someone interesting. So what you have to know. What you have to know is the piece that you see in front of you is the loin of the animal, is the rack. The rack. You have. So, to understand what meat is very tender, what meat is very more tough. When you have the loin of the animal, here you have the legs of the animal, here you have the loin. The loin hits here. When you touch your back, it's always more tough because here is the back, and the back is more to support the legs of the animals. The more you come from here, the more it's tender. So what we will see, we will cut between on the middle of the loin, and what you will see is that there is a separation of a muscle, and the muscle, the concentration of oxygen and blood is not the same way from this part. That's why this part, it's calling the strip loin or the sirloin, is more tough than this part is more tenderloin. So this part here, we have the tenderloin. So the tenderloin is lazy muscle. It never moves. That's why there is never compression of oxygen and blood inside. So if we cut, we can see.
Viel Butter, ne? Das Fleisch ist auch mit Butter.
Always the opposite of this part. The compression of the bone is here. There is a compression which is more tough. With oxygen and blood is more tough. This part is more tender because this part is a lazy muscle. If you heard about pluma of beef, this is the part of the pluma. This part, look, like it's never moving and there is never concentration with oxygen and blood, is more tender. So this is a particulation of a beef. That's why when you cut the beef, you don't have to cut like that, but like that. Like that, everybody has this part and this part. And if you see from the other part of the cut de beef here, the more of the cut de beef will be more different. If you see this part, is not the same way as this part. So you can't cook this cut de beef as this cut de beef because there is not the same compression on the meat, and you have more fat here, as you see. So this cut de beef, if you eat this cut de beef, there is more tasty. Here, you are more juicy. So that's why it's very different. And to my point of view, if you have to cook the restaurant, you have to come here. But if you have to cook for it, you have to put some salt 15 hours before from each part because you have to stop the juicy which going out from the meat. So if you put 15 hours before some small salt from the two parts, you will stop from the fiber to go out of blood. And what you see here is the fat. It gives a taste. So the fat will be, it's called the marbling, and the marbling is lipid. And lipid, we take 40 to 45 days to maturate the lipid, and 20 to 25 days to maturate the protein. It's never the same way. So as you see, it's never the same way. And if we see from this part, you see that it's not the same way at all. Mm-hmm. It's more tough. So this is the end of a rump steak in the. And when you touch here, it's more tender. You see? And it is the same animals. Because it's a compression of the meat. It's never the same way. You can have the same animal, it is never the same way. So that's why it's very important to understand that you can't use the same way. This and the place of a chef is to understand the way of cooking the meat. That's why.